Hello everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to verify your credit card on DoorDash. So let's get started. First, open DoorDash on your browser or app. Then scroll down and click on your account at the bottom. Under Account Settings, select Payment. Here, you'll see your available payment options like PayPal, credit or debit card, Venmo, or Cash App. To make sure your card is verified, you'll need to verify your DoorDash account. Go back to Account. Under Account Settings, select Account. Check that your name, country code, and phone number are correct. Then tap Verify Phone Number. DoorDash will send a verification code to your phone. Enter the code, tap Save, and your profile and payment methods will be verified. And that's it. You've now successfully verified your credit card on DoorDash. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.